Welcome to Daily English Talks.
Oh my gosh! What if your first date started perfect, and then splash! Coffee everywhere, wrong name, and a crazy no way moment. You won't believe this story.
Stay right there, friends. This is gonna be good.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English the Fun Way. I'm Harshi, your cheerful English buddy.
And I'm Shub, the guy who brings the laughs and the silly questions. What's up, friends?
Today we're doing something super relatable. Awkward first dates. You know those moments when your heart is beating fast, but not always in a good way?
Exactly. We're gonna hear a funny, real-life story, learn easy English phrases you can actually use, and laugh a lot. No boring lessons, promise. Just real talk like friends chatting.
Viewers, we will show you a real conversation. So grab your drink, get comfy, and let's go. Okay, picture this. Friday evening, cozy cafe. Mike is meeting Emma for their very first date. They've only chatted online for 2 weeks. Lights, camera, awkwardness.
Wow, you look stunning in person. I've been so excited for this.
Hi, Mike. Thanks a lot. You look great too. I've been a bit nervous all day, actually.
Sorry I'm a few minutes late. The traffic was insane.
No big deal at all. I just got here myself.
So what do you like to do for fun?
I love hiking on weekends and binge watching shows. You?
Action movies all the way. Oh, and I try to play guitar sometimes. Hey, let's order. The coffee here is amazing.
I'll take a cappuccino, Emma. What about you?
A latte, please.
You know, it's been forever since my last date. It was a total disaster.
Really? Tell me.
I accidentally called her by my ex's name. Disaster.
Oops.
No, I spilled my coffee. I'm such a klutz and I'm so sorry, Emma.
Oh my gosh. It's okay, really. No big deal. It happens to the best of us.
Whew, you're so understanding. Most people would be upset.
Seriously? It's just coffee. Let's keep talking.
By the way, what's your full name again?
Emma?
Emma?
Emma Sharma.
No way. My best friend from college is Rahul Sharma. Is he your?
Yes! He's my brother.
Small world.
I know, right? This is crazy.
And that's how the date went from oh no to no way in 30 seconds.
Bro, I would have hidden under the table.
All right, time to break down the best phrases so you can use them tomorrow. We keep it super simple. Ready, Shub?
Yes, ready. Hit me with the first one.
Number 1. You look stunning. It's a nice, natural compliment. It means you look really beautiful or amazing. Example. On a date or at a party, you can say, "You look stunning in that shirt." Do you know, Shub? Last week, my friend said it to his grandma. She smiled for the whole day.
Harshi, if I say it to you right now, you look stunning today. Do I get extra points?
Nice try, Shub. Okay, next. Number 2. No big deal. It means it's not a problem. Don't worry. Super useful when someone apologizes. Example. Friend is late. No big deal. I just got here too. My brother also spilled juice on my new phone. I said no big deal, but inside I was like, ah.
I once spilled mango lassi on my white shirt in front of my crush. I said, no big deal, but my face was bright red.
Oh no. Okay, now number 3. I'm such a klutz. It means I'm so clumsy. Say it when you make a small mistake. It shows you can laugh at yourself. Example. You drop your keys, then you can say, I'm such a klutz. Shub, have you ever said this?
Every single day, Harshi. Yesterday, I walked into a glass door. I'm such a klutz.
Okay, Shub. Number 4. Phew. It's the sound of relief, like, thank goodness. Example, you almost missed the bus. Phew, I caught it. In the story, Mike said it after Emma forgave the spill.
Phew, I thought this date was over after the coffee tsunami.
Oh, okay. Now next, number 5. You're so understanding. It means you are kind and you forgive easily. Great way to say thank you nicely. Example, after someone helps you, you can say, "You're so understanding."
Harshi, if I spill coffee on you next time, I'll say, "You're so understanding," and run away fast.
No, please don't do this. Number 6. Seriously? Use it when you're surprised or you can't believe something. Example, friend says, "I ate 10 pizzas." Then you can say, "Seriously?" In the story, Emma said it when Mike spilled but stayed calm.
Seriously? People still go on dates after coffee explosions?
Maybe. Okay, now number 7. Small world and I know, right? Small world means what a crazy coincidence. I know, right? Means I totally agree, it's surprising. These two together make conversations feel natural and friendly.
Yes, my cousin met his wife because they both ordered the same wrong Uber. Small world. She said, "I know, right?" And now they're married. True story.
See? Real life is better than movies sometimes. Okay, friends, your turn. Have you ever had an awkward first date? Or a crazy small world moment? Comment right now. Write the phrase you liked most. No big deal. I'm such a klutz. Or small world. And tell us your story. We read every comment.
Yes, the funniest comment gets a shout out in our next video. Go, go, go.
Now, viewers, let's hear the whole story again. This time, listen for the phrases we just learned. It will stick in your head better. Ready? Now, Shub, let's act. Suppose you're Mike and I am Emma.
Okay, Harshi, let's go. Hey, Emma. Wow, you look stunning.
No big deal at all.
I'm such a klutz.
Seriously? It's just coffee. Let's keep talking.
Small world.
I know, right?
Ah, now it feels so natural.
See, viewers? Very easy, right?
Yes, very, very easy.
One simple tip before we go. Practice these phrases out loud every day. Stand in front of your mirror, smile, and say them like you're on a date. Or message a friend and use one today. The more you speak, the easier it gets.
Exactly. Don't just watch, speak. Thank you so much for watching with us. If you enjoyed the story and the laughs, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a video.
And comment your awkward date story or your favorite phrase right now. We can't wait to read them.
See you soon, friends. Stay awesome and keep speaking English with a smile.
Bye-bye, viewers.